Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to duplicate clips in DaVinci Resolve. This is a fundamental editing skill that'll speed up your workflow, especially when you need to repeat certain shots or effects throughout your project. Let's jump right in. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application and load up the project you're working on. Once you're in the editing timeline, you'll be happy to know there are two straightforward methods to duplicate clips, so you can choose whichever feels more natural to you. Let's start with the first method, which uses the classic copy and paste approach. Click on the clip you want to duplicate to select it. You'll see it highlighted in your timeline. Now simply press Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy that clip. This stores a copy of your clip temporarily in your system's clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Next, you'll want to position where this duplicated clip should go. Look for the vertical playhead line in your timeline and drag it to the exact spot where you want your duplicated clip to appear. This gives you precise control over placement. Once you position the playhead, press Ctrl-V on your keyboard. Your clip will instantly appear at that location, maintaining all its original properties and effects. Now let's move on to the second method, which is actually faster for many editors once you get used to it. Click on the clip you want to duplicate again to select it. This time, instead of copying, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While keeping Alt pressed, click and drag the highlighted clip to the right along your timeline. As you drag it, you'll notice DaVinci Resolve automatically creates a duplicate of that clip. You can place it exactly where you want by simply releasing your mouse button at the desired position. And that's it. You now know two efficient ways to duplicate clips in DaVinci Resolve. Both methods have their advantages. The copy-paste method is great when you need to duplicate clips across different parts of your timeline, while the Alt-drag method is perfect for quickly creating sequential duplicates right next to each other. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.